Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the AI Link Assistant feature in BetterLinks to automatically analyze your content and insert data-backed internal links. Before we begin, make sure you have both BetterLinks Free and BetterLinks Pro installed and activated on your WordPress website. Once everything is active, you're ready to start working with the AI Link Assistant. From your WordPress dashboard, navigate to BetterLinks, click on Settings, and open the Advanced Options tab. Scroll to AI Link Assistant, enable AI Link Assistant and untracked URL detection, then click Save Settings. Now let's see how this works inside the WordPress editor. Open any post or page where you want to add internal links. From the BetterLinks right sidebar panel, click on Analyze Content. The AI Link Assistant scans your content and suggests relevant links from your BetterLinks library. Review the suggested anchor text and target URL. Then click Insert Link to add it instantly, or dismiss to skip the suggestion. You can also get AI-powered internal link suggestions by selecting any text, clicking the BetterLinks icon, and choosing Generate Link. Customize options like Open in New tab, Nofollow, or Sponsored. Then click Insert Link. If your content contains raw URL, untracked URL detection will find them automatically. Click Insert Link to convert it into branded, shortened, and trackable BetterLinks URLs. Before closing the editor, make sure to save or publish your post or page. Preview your live page to check that the links are added correctly. That's how easily you can automate your internal linking strategy and optimize your URLs using the AI Link Assistant in BetterLinks. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more WordPress tutorials.